to be making a bird treat because I have a bird. For this, you will need 2 popsicle sticks, peanut butter, and some bird seeds. Let's get started. Oh, and a knife. You want to open your peanut butter, then you want to get your knife and get some hard. I already opened this. Get some peanut butter in there, and then you want to get your stick and brush it on there. And once it's all good, and once it's all brushed on there, you get your bird seed. And then you just sprinkle some on there. There is our bird. There is our bird treat. He is going to absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. You can comment down below if you know anything else for me to make. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, then please leave a like down below. Thank you guys. Bye.